Good. Who do you like to listen to in music when you relaxing? Who? Oh, Ricky. Yeah, Ricky Cook. You like it too?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Jose, who you like to listen to when you relax? Well, he ain't answering. The hell with him. He ain't got no taste in music anyway. Who do you like to listen to when you listen to your music? Yeah. Who your favorite musical artist? Oh, good. Okay. Very good. Okay, Edgar? Who do you like to listen to? What kind of music do you like to listen to?
Ricky Cook.
Oh, let's see. Hold you. Oh, dear. Is that your favorite? Why do you like it so much? Oh. Oh, you like the Ricky Cook too? Oh. What the hell's this son of a bitch? God damn, look at his right ass pulling right up into the front door.
I'm listening to Ricky Cook. Woo! This is a great album.
Singing in the choir, singing. He was 4 years old.
Running through my veins, and I keep that engine running on that long black train. I'm a backwoods redneck country Joe.